This is Tana who's going to be leading us this trip. Rice paddies right here.
Rice paddy.
And this is Joss.
They're in the vicinity of the African mainland, so they look more African, but still it's a mixture.
That's downtown head office. Black egrets, dimorphic egret, great egret. Going up the hill now to the city center. This is the center here. Railway station. Really cool.
Red breast. His breast was back.
It's wings.
That's a Madagascar brush wolver back there, which is recently been broken off as a separate family.
No.
Wood rail. At the Scots and all.
Look at his eyes. Now you can see the blue.
The second one is up here.
Good. Yeah. Here or Madagascar tree boa.
So he lives in the tree.
He's resting comfortably, non-venomous, but can give you a bite. So stay away.
Yeah, it's done very well. That's amazing.
That's the teeth.
That's very good. Yes, we both saw it. Yes.
Oh my, oh my.
Rare,
Really?
difficult entity. Madagascar magpie robin.
To the left-hand side. Just okay.
Oh, I
Come
see it
this
now.
way.
I see the movement. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Oh gosh, he's big.
Isn't he handsome too?
Red head.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's right on
Keep
top
looking
of
the
the
log.
Gonna fly,
He's
gonna
flying
fly.
to the left, to the right.
Oh,
The
this is nearly
Is
sitting, but maybe.
It's 5:30 in the morning, and we're heading. Where are we heading?
Mansadee National Park.
And what's the features of that?
What's the features of it?
Features, yeah. Why there?
Well, it's a big natural forest in Madagascar, one of the best and best protected in the eastern part of Madagascar.
Really?
Good primary and secondary rainforest, home to many ground roller species.
Ooh.
Some others, lots of vangas and kuas and things, and good mammals, black and white rough lemur, diadem safak. Yeah, it's really good, and occasional helmet vanga.
Yeah. Our local guide just joined us. It's a PETA-like ground roller calling. Ground roller is one of our main objects.
This big log here, with the fungi on it, orange fungi.
Orchids.
New Guinea, part of Asia.
It's like a roly-poly bug convention here.
Forget about the little weevil.
Oh yeah.
It's a Madagascar skink.
Got a lemur here.
The baby stay on the back.
Lemur.
Common brown lemur.
A yeti?
Walking the scaly ground roller. That's a scaly ground roller.
This is my favorite ground roller.
Dark Newtonia in there.
See, it's got a dark eye. Common Newtonia stood up straight.
He's in there, you can see the movement, but such a pretty song.
He's got bluish legs. What a happy couple.
Oh, I hope the children don't all look like him, but she's pretty bad.
Her brain.
Oh, you know.
All right.
Yeah.
It looked like they're sort of
Isn't that strange?
like he's going.
Oh, you try another with the book.
Madagascar beater.
3 of them.
3 now.
Female and the second bird. Now the front bird. She's all brown and barred. Female on the left.
Wow.
Madagascar bobo.
It'll hold 500 kilograms.
Give your bag.
There's a rail in there.
Very curious. Another one.
Red-billed teal.
Jump.
Oh, missed it.
That way.
Much easier. Oh, that's fine. Yes.
All right.
See you tomorrow.
Bye!
Get the log.
We're coming to get the emu tail tomorrow and we'll pick you up.
Yeah, I'll be here. Oh, much better view here.
Sometimes you add a, not quite in shot, this bird, the pin-tailed white-eye.
Trying for the rufous-breasted ground roller. Bird's right over here. That's getting those damn briars out of the way. There's a serious spider web. Parsons chameleon.
You can tell. Blends right in. He's right on that log. He blends right in.
See the baby? It's moving down.
There's the baby. Family unit here. This is a school visiting the forest. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Rose was given another chance.
Yep. Second life.
Is that where the brambles were?
Travels.
A little personalised bracket. I'm going to make everyone nervous.
Or you're trying to touch your vid cam.
Siesta time here in Madagascar.
It's my room. That's the bathroom. We could have brought the baby. Look outdoors. You see some of the other cottages.
It looks like somewhere in Asia, Cambodia, for maybe, with the rice paddies and the banana trees and yeah, wooden houses.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah, it is a rock slide. Huh? Cuckoo roller.
Come here, come here. The female is this side.
There's the female. We're on the Lemur Island, and there, by golly, is a lemur. What kind is he?
Black and white ruffed lemur.
Beautiful. They have thumbs like humans.
The farm is building.
Fantastic. He is gorgeous. And what are these?
Common brown lemur. You can get as close as you.
Maybe 40 days.
You see the baby?
Oh yeah. They could find out. Should I pet him?
Yeah.
God, they're soft. All right. This is Paranet. There's the market. It's nice, I like it.
Nice village.
Hello! Night walk here. He sees an insect. It's a nice cricket. How'd you know? There's a serious frog down there. There's a leaf-tailed gecko.
Very low down, huh?
Sort of oxylab singing. Steph saw him. That's a Madagascar tree boar. He makes his living in this area.
On the nest.
She's twisting up the cushion.
Charcoal in those bags. Looking for the cotton coal. Green
Yes.
sunbird in there.
Very clearly, thank you.
This is the railroad that goes from Antananarivo down to the coast on the east side of the country. Narrow gauge. Trying to rescue this comedian crossing the road.
Yes.
Normally it's not from
area.
Tana. West.
Someone kept it as a pet.
Yeah.
Take the zoo.
The zoo or at a place at Larupi Lake, you will like it there.
Caught up in this traffic jam here. And now we're going to another traffic jam. We jumped from the frying pan into the fire. Yay, we got out of the traffic jam finally. Happy campers back there?
Yeah, besides this little fella.
The reptile is there.
Oh, look at him. There's my ear. Hey, Ray. Those in the middle are the Madagascar squawko heron. Both species of squawko heron. There's a common squawko, the yellowish one.
Oh, there's one more hen across the way. Where they're black.
Golden orb spider with a golden silk strands. Is that husband and wife? Does wife eat husband?
Down in the southeast of the country, a place called Fort de Fan, and we're going to have lunch in the city or town itself, and then after lunch we're heading out to Berenti Private Lemur Reserve, which is about a 3.5 hour drive.
Vegetables pastry.
Very nice.
Very honest.
Very good fish. Eggplant.
Zebu sausages
Zebu sausage. Cheers.
with water.
It's the best meal I've had in Madagascar.
And you see even the river.
It's high. This is not the Mandrari, is it?
This is the main road.
Out of that hole.
No. Giraffe's head?
That's just. People are not buried there, and the size of the stone is related to the age of the deceased. Oh, wow.
Hey. Tiny things, eh?
Lovely.
You get tired quicker.
Starting on a night walk here.
It's not exactly
the
night,
group.
Rig.
It's not a night.
Well, a day walk into night. How about that? You can get his attention.
Madagascar.
This tamarind tree is one of the reasons this preserve was established. This is the 40th anniversary of when the family came here.
What's he doing? Eating the bark?
No, like.
White-footed sportive lemur. What are they called?
A leaf bag.
Is it an it or is it a they?
Is it one?
No.
Many, a lot of.
Big spider. He's pretty evident. There's a Scops owl up there that the group is listening to. We're out bright and early in the Spiny Forest. Scops owl.
You also get maybe a female Sokolava. It looks slightly different.
It looks a little bit bigger than a...
Yeah, stronger look.
There's a mouse lemur they're looking at. There's a mouse lemur. We don't want to grab this baby. There's a nightjar.
Someone's coming toward him.
Hey?
The drongo, a mockwood dove, and 2 weavers.
They'll come to see me.
Breakfast on the veranda.
besok apa sih? Produsen makan.
I see guys up there. Right?
Oh yes.
Crested kua.
Anyone else in the sky?
Is it greenish blue? Aquamarine almost behind you?
Yeah, yeah.
Red-fronted brown lemur. Antlion holes, the new antlion house.
Zazar.
Do they also have a pre-orbital?
So the Indri give birth only in May. I guess these give
These
birth.
are, I think,
any-
September.
Oh, it's September.
Yeah, and
they
the
give,
same
okay.
with the ringtails.
Right at the end of September.
Female kestrel.
Doesn't come better than that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. White-headed vanga.
No one else was.
Black kite. Flying foxes.
I've eaten them by accident.
I love the appendage at the elbow. I mean, the nail.
Yes.
This is my chalet, and this is the welcoming committee. Steph relaxing with his email after lunch.
Reading tomorrow's New York Times.
Oh, okay, tomorrow's New York Times. So I just had a late morning nap. The cool from the fan. It's very pleasant. This mosquito net was very handy last night. It's pretty warm. Front door. Standing in the bathroom.
Have more than one baby at a time.
Eating the fig.
This looks like sticking out of a mole.
I'm going to show you the third eye shortly.
18.
Huh? That's what I got.
See the males with the black on the head?
The nursery. Guinea fowl. Magpie robin. Praying mantis down there. But it's sportive. That is a warty chameleon. Pretty big, isn't it? The hookbill vanga. Sportive lemur. All the cicadas.
Maratane ngabe manjira bao matama samale dahwane ude bde bde bu ude bde bde bu
Embola and the elephant bird egg right there. See how large it is. Leaving Barenti and its sisal plantations. Yeah. Smooth road. This is a hotel in Fort Dalton. My room. Very nice room. Nothing between here and Antarctica, except ocean. It's a ferry service. Prawn nets. Here comes the ferry. Oh, there. The gentleman ferried these tomatoes over from the other side. This is Robbie, our driver. Handsome man if ever I saw. These are the puss-pusses, what we would call rickshaw. This is a puss-puss jam. This is, regrettably, is the suburbs. Dry river. Kittlets plover. A little bittern. Wish he'd turn around.
Good as new.
Washing off the old sandals at legs and hands. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
First view of the Mozambique Channel. Here's a village right on the ocean. Starting out bright and early. Hope to see the Mesite today. The ground roller is in here somewhere.
Look in the sky. Good luck.
When you get there, you can stop. Just come down here.
Hole in the baobab.
It's a real New York City one.
This is the female, you said?
It's raining. See, it really has been raining. It's a euphorbia. It's the green pigeon. Running cool.
Just a little bit more inside. Branch does a little arch. Just above that. It's got like a peachy coloured.
On the way out,
Pretty much finished.
The consummate showman.
step out.
Great.
Very nice, huh?
Yes.
Tide is out. Three-banded plover.
It's another great.
Evelyn found this little bird, I think, after looking all afternoon. It's the Madagascar plover. Ready to start our voyage.
We'll get up to it now. Little patch of cliff and then the verdus on the next strip of vegetation.
Got that rig.
We're gonna walk up to them now.
It's a sacred island for the Vezo tribe. It's the people living from here along the south coast of Madagascar. And the tropic birds are protected here because they believe that it's a sacred bird. And they believe that if they move the bird from this island inland, something bad will happen to them when they are fishing.
The city gull. Note the composition of the sail.
Oh, they're so clumsy.
No.
Leaving the magical island. the vehicles that brought us in from the boat. Right in from the water. And I'm sorry I didn't get a video. We're at the Zambezi forest looking for some birds we haven't seen elsewhere. This is our first and only female guide. It's one of the rarest birds in the world, recently discovered.
Beautiful. Can everyone see it?
Yep. Yes.
Very nice. Little feeding flock.
It's a long-billed greenbill right there. Sicklebill Venga. Gecko.
One right above us. This is a different subspecies to the one in Berentia.
Go. Ah, yes.
Little furball.
It's a big horn on the head.
The longest chameleon in Madagascar.
Elbows and forearms.
I think its head is facing upwards.
Everybody have it?
Very hard to see, but it's there.
Okay.
Flatted leaf bulb. Those are bugs. Shinobi Forest. Local lunch spot.
Tell me about where we are, Rick.
Where are we, Bono?
The Sapphire Village.
This is a rum distillery. Probably our last outing, going after red-shouldered Venga. Which kua? Vero's kua. This is about as desolate as it can get. Freddie is out trying to find the bird. We're anxiously awaiting. Tim of the sunburned knees.
You might see it from there, in this torch. Same level as my head, Steph.
Oh, you do see it.
Mexican way.
Way, Freddie!
Well done, Freddie.
And we've got our last endemic bird in Madagascar. We're now going to go for a puss adventure.
Yep.
In the post office.
And they're down to the finish line here.
Ah, saya ni. Ini. Ang pula mo sa baga. Ha?
The baobab fruit right here.
Aratane ngabe manjira bao matama Zamale dahwane ude bete bude bu Ude bete bude